So this particular image by default may have a capture time, but what I can also do using Adobe Bridge is I can go ahead and change the capture time for this particular image as well. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the edit menu, and here you can see that edit capture time is an option. So here what you can simply do is you can go around and choose the different date for capture time, as you can see right here. You can also choose today right here, as you can see right here, just like this. You can also shift the capture time right here from the selected date as well. But let me just go around over here and choose today, let's say for example, and click on change. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that the date file modified actually changes up right here. So date created is today. File created is in this date, but you can see that this is what you have right here. So you can go around over here on to edit capture time, and you can change around, shift by hours as well. Let's say for example, type in 24, then it changes it out by 24 hours as well, just like this. And you can see the change right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and edit out capture time inside of Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.